Kazoo with Shearman Builders, and we're going to show you how to reduce the risk of wall ignition. Today we are addressing the exterior wall of this house, which is currently a wooden siding. Now, the vulnerability for wooden siding is that during an ember storm, embers are going to hit the vertical surface and fall down. And as you can see, at the bottom of the wall here, we have a collection of debris, very dry, very flammable. So what we want to do is make the wall itself non-combustible. How are we going to do that? I'll show you how. Step 1, design and planning. So step 2, prepare the surface for flashing and building wrap. Step 3, installing fiber cement siding. Step 4, caulking and painting. By changing the lower half of this wall to a non-combustible siding, we have significantly reduced the risk of ground fire igniting this wall. I think it looks great.